Welcome to this Fixit channel, and this is a tips and tricks video for, it applies to pretty much any operating system you're using. This one is focusing on Windows, but if you're on a Mac or if you're on an Android device or whatever device you use, one of the things you got to know is that when you want to tweak the settings, there's a very simple thing you can do in order to kind of go back if something is wrong. And today's tip is simply to take note of what you're doing and to make sure that you don't change multiple settings at the same time. So if you are scared to go into the settings, the control panel, whatever, there's a very simple thing. Never change more than one setting at a time. That's the first rule. If you change multiple settings, not only will you not know what setting actually screwed up your PC or your device, but it's, again, very complicated to know where you've changed all these settings because you've changed too many and too many different places. So change the settings one at a time. First rule. Second rule, take note of what you did. So for example, you're on Windows 10, you want to change a setting in the Settings app. Just going to click write down. I clicked Settings. Then, System. Okay, I clicked System. Write it down. Power and Sleep. Write it down. I changed the sleep from 1 hour to 45 minutes. Write it down. Write what the value was there before you changed it and what value you changed. So here I would put, okay, before it was 1 hour, now I put 45 minutes. And like that, if it doesn't work, you know how to go back exactly this place and change it again. Same thing for the control panel in Windows 7. Whatever version you are using, control panel will have the same thing. So you click, went to control panel. Then I clicked Internet Options. Write it down, Internet Options. Then I changed the page that was there, go.microsoft.com. Okay, well, write it down. It was that page that was there. Or I went to settings in the browsing history or accessibility. Take note of every little thing. You'll be able to go back because you took note of every place you went and you'll know what value it was. You'll be able to actually just switch it back to whatever value was there before and things will work. And last but not least, you screwed up big time. You've changed many settings and you just don't know how to go back. Well, remember that your friend in Windows is System Restore. You can actually go and with the System Restore go back in time, and of course make sure that it works before you actually start playing around with settings. Then you'll be able to either create a restore point before you start playing with the settings or simply go back in time before you change everything by choosing a restore point. If you're on a Mac computer, you can actually have a time machine drive plugged in so you can back up your Mac computer, and with time machine you'll be able to actually go back to a previous day, for example, and of course everything will be set back as it was that day and so on. So take note is the best recommendation, and never change more than one setting at a time. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.